Hello and welcome to another Validyne Engineering YouTube tutorial. This video will describe the Validyne DR800 Industrial Draft Range Transmitter. The DR800 has a long history of reliable and accurate service in low-pressure measurement applications, where signal stability through high ambient temperature variations is critical. The DR800 comes in the standard industrial pressure transmitter form factor with 1/4 inch female NPT pressure connections on two 1/8 inch centers for optional manifold mounting. The 1/2 inch female NPT adapters are supplied with each DR800. The sensor body and wetted parts are made from a 410 stainless steel for improved corrosion resistance over carbon steel. A stainless steel tag identifying the unit is supplied on request. Field wiring is via 3/4 inch NPT conduit fitting on the electrical housing and internal screw terminal connections. These are gasketed threaded covers on the NEMA 4-rated electrical enclosure. Dual cavities in the electrical housing keep field wiring separate from the electronics compartment. The electrical housing can be rotated for convenient installation. The DR800 may be ordered with an external LCD display, and a 2-inch pipe mounting bracket is available as an accessory. The DR800 has a wide range of available full-scale pressure ranges from 0 to 0.1 inch H2O all the way up to 0 to 100 inches of water. There are 9 different full-scale ranges available, and each pressure range can be turned down for a full-scale signal over as little as 40% of the maximum pressure. The lowest range has a true full scale of plus or minus 0.25 inches water, making it ideal for airflow control applications. It can be turned down to a full 4 to 20 mA output over a range of just 0 to plus 0.1 inches of water. The DR800 offers a 0.5% accuracy in an operating temperature range of minus 20 degrees Fahrenheit to 185 degrees Fahrenheit, and the total combined temperature effects are less than 3% at 100 degrees Fahrenheit. The DR800 accepts plus 12 to plus 45 volts DC power and is protected against accidental reverse polarity connection. A diode test point allows confirmation of the output signal at the transmitter. A 4 to 20 mA output signal is calibrated using a combination of internal circuit board jumpers and the external zero and span adjustments. Using the pot jumper combination, ranges can be selected from negative 100% zero elevation to plus 85% zero suppression, and the span adjustment has a high and low gain jumper to allow better full-scale point resolution. This achieves more turns from the potentiometer over a smaller percentage of the span and zero adjust range, making critical calibrations easier and less time-consuming. The combination of low full-scale pressure ranges and signal stability through ambient temperature changes makes the DR800 ideal for industrial draft range pressure measurement. Airflow measurements in glass furnaces and steel reheat furnaces are typically applications where the DR800 has excelled. Custom versions of the DR800 have been used for refinery heater flame stability controls as well as low pressure measurements in nuclear power plants. Overpressure. The most sensitive DR800 tolerates an overpressure of up to plus or minus 5 psi with an output shift of less than 5%. The DR800 includes output dampening of the 4 to 20 signal. The time constants of 0.25 to 8 seconds may be selected by the user to provide a smoothly averaged control signal. The optional 3 to a half digit liquid crystal display reads in percent of full scale or milliamps. The DR800 enclosure is rated NEMA 4. The DR800 is available with an FM approval class 1 Division 2 groups B, D, and C for use in hazardous locations. The Validyne Model DR800 draft range transmitter is designed exclusively for very low pressure measurement needs. It has a true full-scale range as low as plus or minus 0.25 inches of water, and it can be turned down for a full-scale output as low as 0 to plus 0.1 inches H2O. Full-scale ranges to plus or minus 100 inches of water are also available. The DR800 offers 0.5% accuracy and operating temperature range of just negative 20 degrees Fahrenheit to 185 degrees Fahrenheit. The DR800 is extremely stable through ambient temperature changes with a combined zero and span error of just 3% at 100 degrees Fahrenheit. The Validyne DR800 has an industry standard form factor with 1/4 inch female NPT pressure ports on a 2 1/8 inch centers. The 1/2 inch adapters are also available. Field wiring connections are made via the standard 3/4/8 NPT conduit entry, and also an optional LCD display is available. The 4 to 20 mA output signal can be offset around 0 and can also be elevated or suppressed. The rugged construction of a 2-inch pipe-mounted bracket make the DR800 easy to install. An FM-approved version is also available. The DR800 is ideal for industrial low-pressure airflow applications in places where ambient temperature changes are extreme. Thank you for watching. I hope this video has been helpful in describing the many useful features of the Validyne DR800 draft range transmitter. Give us a call today to discuss your draft range application needs. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon below to stay updated on all the latest in pressure technology. Until next time.